23 years old. My favorite color is blue. I love flowers. And I love YouTube. Why did I start doing YouTube? Because I had a lot of time in my hands, so I decided, well, why not YouTube? What else? I have 3 sisters. No, 2 sisters. I have 2 sisters and a brother. What else can someone want to know about me? Oh my god. When did I start YouTube? I started YouTube October 20th, 2020. Why did I start YouTube? I was inspired by who? You may ask. By Nikki and Gab. And I thought, well, why not start YouTube? I wanted to be a stylist or a fashion stroke lifestyle YouTuber. And I might as well just do that later on in life. What phone or camera do I use? Camera. I use a phone. I used to use Infinix. What model? I don't know. But it was a clear phone. And now on this video I'm using a Samsung phone. The details on it, I'll let you know. What software do I use to edit? I use the UCut Pro because it's cheaper and it doesn't require a lot of money to edit. Where do I live? Well, in Kenya. Many more details about that is not right. So I live in Kenya. For how long have I lived in Kenya? Well, since I was born, man. Fun fact, I cannot differentiate between my left and my right hand. So when I want to know what side is my right hand, I have to go like, so the hand that writes is my right hand. The hand that does not write is my left hand. Yeah, so this is my left hand and this is my right hand. And yeah, that's all for now. Many more will come back soon. Will come on soon. And I hope you enjoy my video.